Dear students, Namaste. You are reading electrochemistry, and in electrochemistry the topic is Nernst equation. Full name is Walther Nernst. He established a relation in between electrode potential of a Daniell cell and concentration of ions of non-standard solution. This is called Nernst equation. As you have read, in Daniell cell, a standard solution was used. A standard solution means having concentration 1 m. So, in Daniell cell, 1 m solution was used. Even in a standard hydrogen electrode, the concentration of sulfuric acid was 1 m. Now, if the concentration is other than 1 m, then how can you determine the electrode potential? It is explained by Nernst. And generally, in Daniell cell, concentration of electrolytic solution is what? 1 m. So, how can we measure the cell potential if concentration of the electrolyte is different? Now, Nernst equation may be used at any moment of the reaction. General Nernst equation is given below. Electrode potential of cell, E cell. Electrode potential of cell is equal to standard electrode potential of the cell minus RT by NF ln Q, where Q is constant, means concentration of oxidation cell and reduction cell are constant, either 1 m, 2 m, 1.5 m. So that will be constant. F is the Faraday, means other unit of charge is Faraday. A smaller unit is Coulomb and bigger unit is Faraday. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 Coulomb. Actually, it is 96,487, but for the sake of simplicity, it is written 500. So, 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 Coulomb. R is the constant. It is called molar solution constant. Its value is equal to molar gas constant. What is the value of molar gas constant in terms of energy? That is 8.0314 joule per Kelvin per mole. T is the absolute temperature. N is the number of electrons that move from oxidation cell to reduction cell. In case of zinc and copper cell, it can be written as E is equal to E naught, means electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential when concentration is 1 m minus RT by 2F. Why 2F? Because zinc loses 2 electrons, copper ion gains that 2 electrons. So in place of N, 2 is written here. Ln means log on base E. What is meaning of ln? Log on base E. Its value is a little different from log on base 10. And log on base E, concentration of oxidation cell by concentration of reduction cell, means electrolyte of oxidation cell and electrolyte of reduction cell. Or you can write E is equal to E naught, means electrode potential of the cell is equal to standard electrode potential minus 2.303 RT by 2F log on base 10. Now on base 10, ln is converted into log on base 10, and when E is converted into 10, then we have to multiply 2.303. Why 2.303 is written here? Because the value of log on base 10 is 2.303 times less than on the value of log on base E. So to make the value of log on base 10 and log on base E, we have to multiply the equation by 2.303, and value is written here that you have seen, no problem in it. Next is on putting the value of in equation 3 we get, means above values they were written there. If put it in the equation, then we get E is equal to E naught, means electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential minus 2.303 into 8.314, that is the value of R. 298 is the value of temperature at 27 degrees Celsius, and 2 is the number of electron. 96,500 is the value of F, and then log on base 10 concentration of oxidation cell means zinc sulfate by concentration of copper ion means copper sulfate. Or E is equal to E naught minus, after multiplying those values we get 0.059 except the value of N, because number of N differ in different cells but other values will be same. So E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by 2 log concentration of zinc ion by concentration of copper ion. This equation is only for zinc and copper cell. In general way, it is written as E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N. N is the number of electron. In case of sodium, 1 electron will be lost. In case of aluminum, 3 electrons will be lost. So the value of N differ. Log concentration of oxidation cell by concentration of reduction cell. Perhaps no problem in it. Now, since concentration of zinc ion and concentration of copper ion is fixed in a Daniell cell, so it is written as Kc, means in place of oxidation cell by reduction cell we can write Kc. So when Kc occurs, if the equilibrium takes place inside the cell, therefore E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by n log Kc, or no problem in it, or we can write log Kc is equal to n by 0.059 into standard electrode potential. Note, next equation for half cell, because you have read there are two half cells in Daniell cell, one is oxidation cell and other is reduction cell. So for oxidation cell, E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln concentration of metal compound by metal ion, means concentration of suppose copper sulfate by concentration of copper ion. As the concentration of copper sulfate, zinc sulfate in the Daniell cell is 1, so 1 m, so we can write E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln 1 by concentration of metal ion. Why 1 here? Because concentration of electrolytic cell is 1 m in Daniell cell, but it differ for next equation. So for half equation it is written, just like for reduction cell also it is written, oxidation cell as well as reduction cell. Now calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction take place. Ni plus 2Ag plus, there is no charge here, Ni plus 2Ag plus is equal to Ni plus 2Ag. Given that electrode potential, standard electrode potential of the cell is 1.05 volt. How can you solve it? At first see what is the concentration of silver ion. It is given in the equation 0.002 m. So write here concentration of Ag plus 0.002 m. Other concentration of nickel ion given here. So write concentration of nickel ion 0.160. Now standard electrode potential when the concentration was 1 m, that is 1.05. So standard electrode potential of the nickel silver cell is 1.05. Don't confuse here, 1.05 volt it is given. Now we know that E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by n log Ni plus plus by Ag plus square. So it is clear why here Ag plus square is written, because 2 silver ion is written in above equation. Now put the value in place of electrode potential, standard electrode potential. We have to write 1.05 minus 0.059 by number of electrons lost or gained. How many electrons are lost by nickel? 2 electrons. And silver gains that 2 electrons. So here in place of N, 2 is written. Log concentration of nickel ion, that is 0.160, by concentration of silver ion, that is 0.002, or it will be equal to 1.05 minus 0.02955 log concentration. What is concentration? 0.160 by 0.00004 due to silver ion square. It is equal to 1.05 minus 0.0295 log 4 into 10 to the power 4. After solving it, then we get 4 into 10 to the power 4. It will be equal to 1.05 minus 0.02955 log 10,000 plus log 4, because it converts into multiplication, is converted into addition in logarithm form. So it will be equal to log 10,000 plus log 4. 10 to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. Now the value of log 10,000 is equal to 4, or you can write 10 to the power 4 is equal to 4 log 10, and value of log 10 is 1, so that will be equal to 4. So what will be the value now? It is equal to 1.05 minus 0.02955 into 4 plus value of this will be equal to 0.6021. Value of log 4 is equal to 0.6021, or you can write only 0.602 also. It is equal to 1.05 minus 0.02955 into 4.602. It is equal to 0.914 volt. So how much volt is produced here? 0.914 volt. So question is very easy. Try to solve the questions related to Daniell cell. Next day. Have a nice day. Thank you.